Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial topic for Discord users: securely logging out of all your devices. If you suspect unauthorized access or simply want a fresh start, this updated guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, grab your Android device and open the Discord app. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, at the top right of your screen, you'll find a gear icon. Give that a tap to access your settings. From here, scroll down until you find the Devices option. Now, this is where things get interesting. Tap on Devices, and then select the option labeled Log out all known devices. Before you can proceed, Discord will ask you to verify your password for security. So, enter your password, and just like that, you've successfully logged out from all your devices. Taking these steps ensures that your Discord account remains safe and private, giving you peace of mind. Remember, cybersecurity is essential, so make it a habit to regularly review your account access. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.